Hello friends, welcome to Binary Options Trading Profitable Strategy Day 5. You guys please do subscribe to my channel because no one is subscribing, only people are watching these videos and this is going to demotivate me. So without doing any delay, let's start our Day 5 of profitable trading in binary options. So yesterday we traded with Heikin-Ashi candlesticks. You can watch that video too. So today we will use Japanese candlestick. So you can select here, and our time frame would be 1 minute. Our candle time frame would be, and our expiration time would be 1 minute, and our initial investment would be $10. So our total investment would be $130 and a profit target of $260. So now I am going to show you the strategy to trade again, and this is live recorded. Whatever result it is going to come, I am going to show you. So we have a purchase time of 27 seconds, and we can see the previous candle was red, so we are going to go on with lower. So whenever it goes up suddenly, we'll make a trade on lower. So we didn't get much place, so I made a trade for now. So now we need to wait for this trade to close. So in the meantime, I'll open another currency pair. Now let's see what happens in this trade. So it is most likely that our first trade is going to be wrong, but that's not a problem because we are backed with our money management. So if we are going to lose $10 in this trade, then we'll be investing $30 in another trade using similar strategy. Keep on watching. So we made a loss. So as you can see, previous candle was green, so our total investment would be $30 this time, and we'll make a trade on higher. So let it come a little bit down suddenly, and then we can make a trade, or we can still make a trade on any point down here. So it came suddenly down, so I made a trade there. So now if I make profit on this trade, then my profit would be $24. That would cover my previous $10 loss and a $14 profit. But if I lose in this trade, then my total loss would be $40, and then I would invest $90. Keep on watching to know this strategy in proper manner. If you don't have an account on IQ option, please do sign up to this platform. I have also given the link in the description of this video. So we made a profit in this trade. Now we'll trade in another currency pair, that would be GBP AUD. So we made profit on our $30 investment. That means we are going to lower our investment to 10 again. So previous candle was red. If suddenly this candle moves up, we are going to make a trade on lower. So it moved, we just placed our trade here. So this is a simple strategy that doesn't hampers your mind too much. You don't need to think, but you need to trade in a consistent basis. You should not fear of making loss of your invested amount or making a huge profit. Just manage to lose $1 and earn $2 in binary options. If you go that way, then you will be profitable in long run. So I made profit in this trade too. So I'll select another currency pair. We will trade only one time in one currency pair. As you can see, candle was green, so we made a profit in $10. That's why we are going to invest another $10 here. So our trade would be on higher, no matter wherever the market is going. If it comes suddenly down, I am going to make a trade. Let it come a little bit down. Okay, I made a trade because there was so limited time. So now let's wait and see what happens in this trade. So tomorrow I will make another video for day 6 of binary options trading profitable strategy. So do subscribe to my channel to watch this video. Now I would like to tell you something, that if we have made our loss in this $30 investment, then what we could do is we'll invest $90, and if we made profit, then we could cover our $40 loss and profit of $30, something $30. But if we mistakenly lose that $90 too, then our total investment would be $130 and we will stop trading for that day. So in this way we keep on trading and we target the profit of $260, it is double of $130. And in that way, if we lose today $130 and if we make a $260 profit tomorrow, then that would cover our previous loss, that would be $130 and a profit of $130 for that day. In this, if you use this strategy for long term, you can test it on demo account. I have also given the link of this IQ option and another two best platform, that is Expert Option and All-In-Trade. You can sign up to that too if you want, and practice this strategy and see whether it works for you or not. If you work it on consistent basis, then I am a bit sure that it could work for you too, as it has been working for me. So for today I want to take a leave, and I hope best for your trading career in binary options. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.